Life may look far from what you once imagined or believed it would be, and somewhere in the delay or detour, doubt begins to whisper, "It's too late, you've missed it, you've fallen off track for good." But here's the truth. Psalm 139 verse 16 says, "Every day of my life was recorded in your book, and every moment was laid out before a single day had passed." Your story was written in love and it's still unfolding in grace. Jesus is not scrambling to create a plan B, He's gently guiding you back to the beauty of His original plan A. And when you wandered, He never left your side. Even when the road twisted, He remained your faithful guide. He still longs to lead you into everything He always held in His heart for you. So lean into His presence, let His voice quiet your fears and settle your soul today.